The formula for watts is voltage squared divided by the resistance. The resistance is simply the value of the load created by the speakers. Dynaco specifies the amp's power with an 8 ohm load, so naturally I tested the amp with 8 ohm speakers connected, right? No, wrong. Using speakers when testing amps not only creates unbearably loud sound levels, it also puts the speakers at risk. That's because the speakers may not be able to handle the power and distortion created during testing. So instead of using speakers for amp testing, we instead trick the amp into thinking that speakers are actually connected using something called a dummy load. A dummy load is simply a resistor which provides the necessary load. Here are two dummy load resistors I own. Both provide an 8 ohm resistance, but the small one can only handle up to 90 watts, while the large one can handle up to 300. When using a dummy load, it's important that it can handle the wattage that you'll be testing. Looking for a shiny new gadget for your bench? Some good books on electronics, vintage hi-fi or old radios? Indispensable tools, cleaners, or other products? Check out my new Amazon shop and help the channel. Lots of great products I actually own, use, and recommend, plus my thoughts on each one. Link in the description. To stay updated, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications when I release new videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you soon.